Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss about how to find out the value of small g on the surface of Earth. Small g indicate gravitational acceleration. Here we are trying to calculate the value of g using Newton's universal law of gravitation for an object whose mass is m situated at a distance r from the center of Earth. So according to universal law of gravitation, we know F is given as capital G, that is gravitational constant. Capital M indicates the mass of Earth here. The small m indicates the mass of the object. And R square indicates the distance of the object from the center of Earth. We also know force can be calculated by multiplying mass into acceleration. That is Newton's second law of motion. G here is the gravitational acceleration. So when we combine these two, G is given as capital G m r square. So this mass and this m gets cancelled out and we get G is equal to capital G capital M upon r square, capital R square. How this small r converted to capital R is, we are thinking of an object which is situated on the surface of Earth, that is small r, that is the object distance, and capital R means the radius of the Earth. As the object is on the surface, the distance from the center to that object will be the radius of the Earth. Hence it is indicated by capital R. So the value of G on the surface of the Earth becomes, when we substitute the values of gravitational constant, mass of the Earth and the distance or the radius of the Earth, we get as 9.77 meters per second square. For the normal calculation or general calculation, we use 9.8 meters per second precisely. This acceleration depends on the mass capital M and radius of the Earth, and so the acceleration due to gravity at a given point on Earth is the same for all objects. It does not depend on the properties of the object. So here the gravitational constant is dependent on the mass of the Earth and the radius of the Earth. So it may differ slightly on the equator and at the poles, because the distance from the center is different towards the pole and towards the center. So there is a very slight change in them, but otherwise we can take the value of G as 9.8 meters per second for our calculations throughout. Now let's see how did we get this value in a little explained or detailed format.